how to reduce cough in children quickly. There won't be any other ways to reduce cough quickly, because if the cough is because of any lung pathology, you need to treat the infection if there is any infection. So you need to go to your doctor, get it checked first. You need to see whether there is any infection or not. So follow the medications what has been given to you, and try to avoid any high concentrated solutions or irritants, like any high sugary foods or any spicy foods or irritant foods, so that they don't irritate your throat and it may progress or it may exaggerate the cough.